In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit QuickBooks Invoice template. If you've been feeling frustrated trying to personalize your invoices to better suit your business aesthetic or branding, this guide will help you do just that in a straightforward and efficient way. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to QuickBooks. Once you've logged into your account and find yourself on the QuickBooks homepage, your next step is to find the New button. QuickBooks has designed its platform to be user-friendly, so locating this button should be relatively straightforward. Click on the New button, which will open a list of options, including the creation of invoices, the section we need to focus on today. Upon selecting Invoices, you'll be given the choice to either create a new invoice or modify an existing one. Since our goal today is customization, navigate to the bottom of the Invoice menu where you'll come across a Customize button. Click on this to proceed. This action will unlock a new set of options and features for you. Here, you'll notice the Edit Current option. Consider this your gateway to fully personalizing your invoice template. Now, here's where your creativity can truly shine as you gain complete control over your invoice's design elements. With the Edit Current feature activated, you have the freedom to modify your existing template design to better align with your brand's voice and style. Whether you want to experiment with the layout, adjust colors, change fonts, or perhaps add your business logo if it isn't already there, you'll find the QuickBooks interface intuitive, with each option clearly marked and easy to follow. As you make your adjustments, be sure to preview your changes frequently. This ensures that the presentation matches the vision you have in mind. Once your invoice template reflects your desired look, it's time to save all those thoughtful edits. Click on the Done button to save your custom template. This action ensures that next time you create an invoice, it will automatically incorporate all the changes you've implemented today. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your QuickBooks Invoice template to reflect your unique business identity. By following these steps, your invoices should now stand out and mirror your business standards and visual identity effortlessly. Should you need to make further adjustments or updates in the future, just revisit the Edit Current section to evolve your design as your brand continues to grow. Thank you for tuning in with us today. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other tutorials available that could further enhance your QuickBooks experience. Until next time, happy customizing!